Hey everyone! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. Many of these will probably surprise you. Yeah, not what you'd expect.
This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Sure, olive oil has some health benefits. But when you cook with it at high temperatures, those benefits start to disappear. In fact, cooking with olive oil at high temperatures can indeed create some unhealthy compounds that can raise your risk of disease which harm your cells and cause inflammation in your body. When it comes to learning a new language, there are many health benefits that can be gained. For instance, studies have shown that bilingualism can help delay the onset of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. In addition, learning a new language can also help improve your memory and cognitive skills. And when it comes to Arabic specifically, there are even more health benefits that can be reaped. For instance, speaking Arabic has been shown to reduce stress levels and blood pressure. Radishes are a type of vegetable that offer many health benefits. They are low in calories and fat, and high in fiber and nutrients. Radishes also contain antioxidants that can help protect cells from damage. Additionally, radishes may help lower blood pressure and improve circulation. Including radishes in your diet is a great way to boost your health and wellness. Did you know that reading graphic novels can in fact be valuable for your health? It's true. Good health isn't just about eating the right foods and getting enough exercise. Laughter is also a crucial part of staying healthy, and graphic novels can offer plenty of opportunities for laughter. Also, to making you laugh, reading graphic novels can also help improve your cognitive functioning.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.